lights close their tired eyes. I'll soon be with you, my love, to give you my dawn surprise. I'll be with you, darling, soon. I'll be with you when the stars stop falling. I've been waiting so